of a better ecosystem. But to do this, we need to understand certain principles and certain environmental concepts that are germane to a better ecosystem. To start with this, I'll begin with the concept of change of life. You see, we might just hear the concept of life and be wondering what does this mean? Well, just like many of us in this room, as a final year undergraduate, I was stuck between choosing an undergraduate thesis on data protection or biodiversity. Eventually, I went to biodiversity and I understood perfectly the importance of a better ecosystem, and more importantly, I can explicitly or succinctly explain change of life. So please, I had an A in my thesis. Listen carefully and listen attentively. I will break this down for all of us. Now, going straight to the point. Change of life basically refers to the intricate link connecting living organisms. And when I say living organisms, I'm referring to plants and animals. You see, just like animals, plants also have a lifespan. They are planted, cultivated, and harvested. But the purpose knows that there are certain activities or certain things that connect plants or functional activities of plants to animals as well. So I'll give you two instances to explain properly. So always plant ecosystem as well as the aquatic ecosystem. For instance, we could easily plant edible crops. Now, consequentially, edibles, okay, when I say edibles, these are animals that eat grass and lice. For instance, goats. So goats eat leaves and lice. So you can see with this already, there's a connection between what plants produce and what animals eat. That is for animals particularly. Scientific studies have shown that man or mankind is an higher form of animal. So I'll put this in this instance. Some of the foods now eat, they are directly protein from plants that have been harvested. So you can already see that plants and animals go hand in hand. Since we can establish the concept of change of life, the next thing will be to explain the concept of biodiversity. And like I said earlier, like I did during my previous I'll break it down. Biodiversity consists of two key terms: bio meaning life and diversity meaning variety. So when we say biodiversity basically refers to the variety of life. I'm putting this into context. I'm trying to say that there are varieties of plants, there are varieties of animals. It's not just a normal animal thing. And it's not the global statement that says one single mosquito cannot do an environment state, but a bunch of those things will give an environment state. So having one of the plants or having just one of animals might not be enough to give or sustain a better or improve an ecosystem. That's why biodiversity is key to the concept of a better ecosystem. So that's the way I read it. Change of life, the link between living organisms, plants and animals, the need for these varieties, that's biodiversity. And then we come to the ecosystem itself. I've been mentioning the concept of better ecosystem for some time now. It makes in your mind, what then do we call an ecosystem? An ecosystem basically refers to a community or the habitats for the living organisms that are given of. Now, we have land ecosystem, which is the grassland that we live on, or the forest environment for wild animals. Or we could even have the aquatic ecosystem. These are the fishes, sharks, and the likes. If I even show you that there is the data ecosystem, although it is not so much known, or at least it exists for cactus and the likes already. Since we establish these major principles, it is important to point the importance of the better ecosystem itself. And I'll be using this with the aid of two instances. The land ecosystem or the forest ecosystem in line with the aquatic ecosystem. So, there is a very special kind of animal called the bison. The bison is called B-I-S-O-N. So it's a white animal normally found in the forest ecosystem. But it's peculiar. This bison has economic and ecological advantages to our environment in order to boost or provide a better ecosystem. So bison normally move from forest to forest, from regions to regions, grazing. So this is what we call grazing patches. Grazing patches actually help the environment. They help to level some gases, you know, it's what I say. When the bison hits this region, levels down, it makes it easy for some plants to move on it. Then it goes to another region. So this is called wasting patching, and in a way, every environment. The lower grasses that the bison has fed upon will make it easy for bacteria or fungi to sprout out, to spring out further. And it's also another region where it helps with under ecosystem, fungi, and anemone, and the likes. Now, that is for a forest ecosystem or a land ecosystem. In the context of an aquatic ecosystem, I'll make you know of something called kelp. Kelp or seaweeds. Kelp or seaweeds can easily be located in rivers, oceans, and sea lakes. So, the other important of it, kelp or seaweeds, that it provides shelter. It's like a grass. I'll make you know the diagram of the maize. The way maize is tall. Kelp are normally tall, but they're found deep inside the river. So, they provide shelter to small fishes. They will provide some form of respiratory mechanisms to these fishes. So what they do is, what they provide these shelters. Now let's begin to make it. So a kelp exists here. It provides shelter to small fishes. Small fishes can feed and breathe. The next thing, bigger fishes like sharks can feed on smaller fishes. We humans will then feed on these bigger fishes or make use of either unconscious or other. So you can see they are all linked together and they are important to our environment. Now, I'll explain the importance of these two, land ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. What then happens when we denigrate or we try to destroy these natural properties? And I'll just, for the one of time, I'll make use of the kelp and seaweeds. So now, what we said is the kelp and seaweeds, they are invested in large amount of dollars for land-based fertilizers. Of course, land-based fertilizers are good for faster growth and agricultural practices. But then, it leads to damage in our sea, in our aquatic environment. Sea levels are dropping, and this is exposing us to climate change. Recently, I did a research on Conference9. Conference9 is Conference of Parties. A conference where it's a conference basically where countries around the world need to discuss matters pertaining to climate change. You see, the effect of what we've done in our seas, the effect of what we are doing to our lands, by clearing them without providing an alternative, is why climate change is affecting us devastatingly. So we need to take actions. And then it brings me to the concluding parts of this presentation. How do we maintain our environment for a better ecosystem? I'll start with what we can all do, and the first is this, by maintaining or by cultivating sustainable agricultural practices. For those who are farmers or for those who are into agriculture and lives, please, as much as possible, try to do crop rotation or intercropping. There are Ashurst, there are food crops. Time over time or consistently or just place a space between the plant of the structure. It will help certain values grow or form as time comes back. Next thing will be to reduce carbon footprints. And this is one of the major things being discussed as conference practices. So every nation has nationally determined contributions. So nationally determined contributions basically is the amount of carbon footprints that you can contribute or release into the air. And when I say carbon footprints, the simple analogy is just the gas have the dangerous gases being released into the air by manufacturing industries. So the carbon footprint of every country should be drastically reduced for us to have a better ecosystem. And that would be for us to engage in citizen education and environmental advocacy. Countries like Finland, Japan, Australia, Ecuador. Let me give you the example of Ecuador. Ecuador has a particular area called Galapagos Island. In this area, or in this particular area, there is a lot of environmental education to be done. So if we bring something like this in Nigeria, even in Japan, there is something called Environmental Education Promotion Act. These are things that we need to do in Nigeria and other countries of the world. And please note that a better ecosystem is not just a luxury or a necessity. So let's take care of our environment. Thank you.